Hello, we're going to be talking about how to become a dev actually. Well, first, you can never know everything. Even if you're an expert, you cannot fully understand a whole programming language. Only a computer can. Let's say you should actually watch videos. So we're going to make an example. If, let's make an int a equal 7. And if a equals 7, right here we're going to say it is 7. Well, here there are multiple things you could have done wrong, actually. See, right here, people can teach you, like, why are you doing this? You could copy that and, do this, delete that, and maybe put this. So you simplified your code. So you're like, oh, okay, thanks. Then it's like, why use an int? You can, let's say, use a byte. Then you're gonna be like, oh, thank you again. It's like, well, don't we want to check if it's a number? That's always going to be a number. So let's say, what if it's not a number? Let's say, what if it's not a number? Like, how are you gonna do it? We're gonna put console dots. So you can never actually, maybe in the future, you can actually simplify this more. Right now, you can make a switch statement, like right now. Switch. See? And let's do an A. Right now, we put this default. Okay. Right now, this cannot be empty. I know this is it's an unreachable code. So right now, this can get better and better out in the future. So, I'm talking about how to become a developer. You can actually become a developer in multiple ways. Maybe like 50% of developers, they wouldn't know this sign. Okay. This is, not a lot of people know this sign. And mostly it's going to be printing out, I think, false. So, we're going to be using this sign. A lot of people don't know what this sign is. Or now you can see the meaning. So this is like a not equal to. So let's say this is not equal to 5. Right now, this is actually going to be true. Let's compare it. It's an int. So now this is going to be printing out true. See, you could have just put this, right? Well, yeah, you could have. Or you can simplify it more. Maybe you could have even simplified it more and out. See, it can actually get better. So today we're going to be learning about, if statements mostly. We're going to know about the operators. So, what we want to check is I'm going to be writing all the operators. This is an equal to. By the way, this, and this is different things. This is used for comparison. So you cannot, this is for declaration for like a variable or something. is equal, and this, of course, you would note it, is adding. And by the way, there is another simplification. We're going to be learning about the operators and the if statements. So let's say we want to add a value. You could, I guess, a equal 5. Then let's say we want to make a equal 10. Like we want to add 5 to it. So we can do this. Okay, a lot of people would be doing this. A plus a. Now this is going to be 5. Well, what if we could have done this? Or we could have done this. Now it's going to be 10. We simplified it more and more. This goes for this. So, let's say we want to get the remainder. This is used for a remainder. So let's say we want to put an int. Okay. Let's say equals 3 divided by, let's say, 2. So right now, how many 2's are in 3? 1, 2. But there is a remainder. So the value of b is going to be 1. Now this is the end of this is actually a very simple technique. And this is used for dividing. And one more thing. This is for multiplication. And this is not equal. So right now you could do, let's say, bool equals true. So we could be writing a equal true. Well, this is true. This is correct. You can do that, and a lot of people wouldn't judge you about it. But at the same time, you can do this. So right now, this by itself takes it as the same thing as this. But let's say, how do we make it negative? Like say is not equal to. You can put this. This means if a is not equal to true, so it's false. So let's say we can do this. Is not equal to. Well, that's great. So you don't need to know a lot of actually operators. So now you can know how to make an if statement. And by the way, you can do something, I think, like in Python. You can actually do it. Console.square. I think it works here too. Doesn't take an empty parameter. Okay, so this is like Python. There's an indent. So right here, any code we write over here and there's a space, it's going to be actually in the if statement. But let's say we don't want to be if, so we start from here. So this is not considered to be inside the if statement. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a good day and see you guys next time.